Hello and welcome to Autobot Vault. My name is Thuy Phan and today I'm here to present to you this beautiful 2006 Ferrari F430. With just over 18,000 miles on the odometer, this 2006 Ferrari F430 has enjoyed a plush California life. It is finished in Grigio Silverstone and has a meticulously preserved Cuoio leather interior. These colors are highlighted by factory Scuderia fender shields, factory yellow brake calipers, and rev counter, and together produce a breathtaking Ferrari F430 that will stand out in any setting. Thanks to its virtually unblemished condition, most uninitiated will not believe they are standing in front of a 16-year-old classic. Even the cabin retains its characteristic new Ferrari smell. Furthermore, this spectacular vehicle comes fitted with the following factory equipment: carbon fiber trimmed dashboard, BBS Ferrari Challenge Stradale wheels, finished in Ferrari's signature Grigio Corsa gray, Ferrari fender shields, yellow tachometer, yellow calipers, and more. This Ferrari F430 is more than meets the eye. It comes with documented ownership and service history dating back to its delivery date on November 10th of 2006 by Ferrari of San Francisco, California. Additionally, and in preparation for sale, a major service was performed by Ferrari specialists to guarantee many years of trouble-free ownership to its next owner. This service included new OEM brake rotors and brake pads, new OEM left and right fuel pumps and hoses, new OEM motor mounts, new OEM F1 clutch, new Michelin Pilot sport tires all around, oil and filter service, and more. This Ferrari has no sticky buttons, warped airbag cover, or windshield vents on this example, and it looks and feels like the day this beauty left Maranello. Autobahn Vault, we refuse to cut corners in favor of maximizing profit. Consequently, our vehicles stack up against the best examples on the market at any given time. This F430 is no exception because it looks, smells, and performs like a new Ferrari did in 2006. You will not be disappointed. For pricing, shipping quotes, or any information, please give us a call at 239-204-7434 or visit our website at autobahn-vault.com.